My name is Anvi. Today I'll show you how to make a DIY birdhouse. We will need a milk can, a rope, and 2 sticks and 2 colors of paint. You can choose 1 color of paint if you like. So, first we color the bottom red because I choose yellow and red. And then we color the top yellow. Actually, in the first part, my mom cut these holes and cut some lines to put the sticks. And then we put this string. We open the cap and tie the string like a circle and put it in and put the cap back. And then we did the design. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.